The Digital Personal Data Protection Bill, that is DPDP Bill 2023, was introduced in Lok Sabha on August 3rd of 2023. The bill seeks to provide protection of personal data and the privacy of individuals. Welcome to Varindia News Hour. The idea behind the DPDP bill is digital platforms will need to take unconditional, free, specific and informed consent from users for processing their data. The data principal shall have the right to access information about personal data for which consent has been previously given. The bill emphasized on how personal data can be collected, processed, safeguarded and prescribing penalties up to Rs 250 crores in case of breaches. The bill contains wide-ranging exemptions to the government and has provisions for setting up of a regulator, that is the Data Protection Board, which will be appointed by the government. In a relief to the industry, the bill has allowed cross-border data transfers, voluntary undertaking of data breaches and removed criminal penalties prescribed in the earlier draft. Personal data can be transferred to any country except certain geographies that the government may include in a blacklist. The central government under the 2023 bill will have the power to block public access to any information hosted on a computer source as long as it is in the public interest. No such provision existed in the 2022 version. The Data Protection Board, constituted under the Act, will have advisory power to make recommendations for blocking public access to a computer resource or a platform. The board can make such a recommendation if the data fiduciary has faced monetary fine on more than 2 instances. This provision further solidifies the state's blocking powers as recognized by the Karnataka High Court in the Twitter case. Additionally, the new bill also removes the public interest grounds for which data was deemed to be given, such as prevention of detection of fraud, network and information security, processing of publicly available data, etc. According to experts, this provision is an attempt to weaken the authority of the Data Protection Board and thus curtailing citizens' control over their personal data and also making it prone to misuse to target individuals, groups and communities. They further observed that the provision may be used to clip the wings of the Rights of Information, that is RTI Act, thereby weakening it. Let's look into today's headlines. IT Minister presented the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023 in Lok Sabha amidst opposition. The Union Communications, Electronics and Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has introduced the much-awaited Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023 in the Lok Sabha. Members of opposition opposed the introduction of the bill as they raised concerns about its potential violation of the fundamental right to privacy. Opposition demanded that the bill be sent to the Standing Committee for thorough scrutiny. Finance Minister clarifies 28% GST on online gaming is only on buy-in but not winnings. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has clarified that the 28% goods and service taxes, that is GST, leviable on online gaming, gambling and horse racing will be imposed on the initial buy-in and not on winnings. Sitharaman further said that all attempts are made to pass the required legislation in Parliament and state assemblies so that the new rates can be implemented from the 1st of October. NHAI introduces Rajmargyatra app for national highway users. To improve the highway user experience, the National Highways Authority of India has taken a significant step with the launch of Rajmargyatra, a citizen-centric unified mobile application. The app is available for download on both Google Play Store and iOS App Store. The app empowers travelers with comprehensive information on Indian national highways while also offering an efficient complaint redressal system. The app is currently available in Hindi and English. Apple witnesses drop in sales for third quarter in a row, further expecting drop in September quarter. iPhone's parent company Apple has recorded a decline in sales for the third consecutive quarter. The shares of the company fell in post-market trading after the company announced that it expects a drop in its September quarter as well. The company reported a 1.4% drop in sales for the April to June period, hurt by an industry-wide slump that has sapped demand for phones, computers and tablets. Microsoft identifies Russia-linked hacking group behind Microsoft Teams phishing attacks. According to Microsoft, a Russian hacking group tracked as APT29, which is linked to the country's foreign intelligence service, targeted dozens of organizations worldwide in Microsoft Teams phishing attacks. Our current investigation indicates that this campaign has affected fewer than 40 unique global organizations, Microsoft revealed. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.